What's going on, everybody? We were up at Big Bear Mountain doing some snowboarding. We have some stuff from last night. I didn't really make an intro back then, but we're gonna give the truck a cold start because it's like, I don't know, 30 degrees, no glow plugs. Try and warm it up. Not even two cranks, no glow plugs at all. And she started right up. I think Duramax do the best in the cold, just saying, but might be biased. But anyways, we're gonna get up to the mountain and do some more shredding. You can go your own way, go your own way. You can call it another day. Alright guys, I just forgot I needed to make an ending to this video. I'm back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the snowboarding. We actually sat in traffic for like 5 hours coming down the mountain, but you know, super fun, super great weekend. Skills are definitely improving. Hope you guys like this because it's something I like to do on the side, kind of taking a break from the trucks and get away. Gonna have some more stuff coming your way, and yeah, we're staying busy. We gotta start working on cleaning up the red truck. Might get rid of it. I know I said I wasn't. I know I said I was. I don't really know. But anyways, thank you to all the new subscribers. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We always do pretty fun stuff. This is going to be a big year, a lot of changes, kind of getting out of the military and all that stuff. But thank you guys for everything. I appreciate the support as always, and I will see you guys next time.